Okay, sorry. I'm gonna have to take part 2 of this because apparently I'm talking very loud for, I don't know, scientific purposes. What the other thing I noticed is that the concentration in the brain, how much you can focus and concentrate on each keyword, is going to be very minimal. If you start typing in a lot of keywords, the tissue within the brain itself is going to have a lot of vibrations that go through it, because it's like an impulse, sort of like if you have something hooked up to a potato, which is like a very basic science experiment. It would have like an electrical shock that basically is produced in the brain. So if you keep typing in keywords, you're just trying to produce more synthesized reaction after synthesized reaction after synthesized reaction, which happens at a very slow pace compared to a chemical reaction, because chemical reactions can happen within a split second. But for the brain to react to something that is a machine, basically, it's adapting itself to reaction after reaction after reaction after reaction. So basically, it feels like I'm like, you know, let's say if I have to find it's almost nearly impossible for me to focus. And what I realize is that when I have to focus on conversation and you're putting in too many terms for me to speak, or even something that might trigger the Broca's area or the Wernicke's area, which are two areas responsible for speech, if you're expecting the patient or the subject to talk, then they might not be able to focus very well, because the part of the
where are the cookies at?
the part of
where are the cookies?